Today, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on creating a captivating text reveal effect using CapCut on your PC. To make your video from this to this effect can add a touch of professionalism and excitement to your videos. Let's dive right in. Airport your video footage by clicking on Import Media and select the video you want to use. Now let's add the text layer by clicking on Text and drag the default layer on the timeline. After that, add text from top right here. Adjust the text scale. Now, let's prepare the text layer for the reveal effect. Click on the video layer to select it, press right-click and create a compound clip, or press Alt-G for creating compound clip. Go to Mask and the editing toolbar right up here, choose Split as the mask type. Rotate the split mask by 90 degrees to create a vertical split effect. It's time to animate. The text reveal effect. Place the playhead where you want the text to start revealing. Select the keyframe at the beginning of the text layer, slowly move the text to the right to start the reveal. CapCut will automatically insert keyframes as the text moves. The text will progressively reveal itself as you move it. No need to manually add keyframes. CapCut takes care of it for you. Repeat this process until the entire text is revealed. Congratulations! You successfully created a captivating text reveal effect using CapCut on your PC, and you're ready to share your creative masterpiece with the world? That's a wrap on this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more CapCut tutorials and creative video editing tips, and you can get 7-day free subscription with link in description. Thanks for watching.